Welcome to Gabriel Flora House. In this video, we are going to discuss about plant called Echveria black prince, also known as Vishnu Kamal. We are going to see how to water, where to keep, how to multiply, and how to increase the growth of the plant. First, we will see this plant. These plants are dark in green and its leaves are browny. And these plants will store water in its leaves. So if you see these plants are fleshy leaves. So it needs very less water. And we have to water whenever the soil is completely dry. And next we are going to see about place. This plant can keep it in sunshade and it will enjoy the morning sunlight. So make sure that it is getting the morning sunlight. And if you keep this plant in the indoor or sunshade, and if you are giving more water, the plant will suffer. If you are seeing this plant, these plants are kept in indoor or sunshade and we gave more water. If you are seeing this one, these leaves are suffer. It will start changing the color and this plant start losing its leaves. It will start rotting. And if you are seeing this plant also, these plants also suffer due to the more water. If you are seeing the plant leaf color, you can understand. So water and place are very vital. If you keep this plant in direct sunlight, it will be tightly packed like this. And you can see its color is red color. It is due to direct sunlight and it gets the required water. That is why it is not changing its colors in leaves, and it is a well healthy plant. If plants are kept in the direct sunlight and if it is given very less water, the plants will be in the truss. So due to truss, the plant's leaves colors are changed like this. Sure that you are giving the proper water and you are keeping in the right place. This plant's growth is very easy. It will grow very easily if you are giving the right soil with right place and right water. This will grow very easily. You can see it will give the flowers as well, and this will grow up to even 10 inches in period of 1 to 2 years. Then we are going to see about how to multiply. We can multiply this plant in two ways. One is by shoot. If you are seeing this plant, it will give the shoot here. It will give the babies over here. You can plug this plant and you can plant it in some other pot. If you see this plant is giving two babies and two babies are grown very well. So we can make or we can multiply the plants like this. So totally 3 plants are there. We will see how to propagate this plant. You can propagate by the leaves. Either you can plug the leaf, you can plug the healthy leaf from the healthy plant. That is the first one. Otherwise, you can take shut-down leaf and keep it in the dry place. When you are keeping in the dry place, it will giving new leaves, new plants. If you are seeing this leaf, it will start dying and it will giving the new plants from the leaf. After getting the roots, we can keep it in the soil. We can keep it in the soil, so it will root will go to the soil and it will turn into the new plant like this. Now we can remove the dyed leaf from the plant. It will start growing and it will get the root like this. Thank you for watching. You can see different stages of the plant. It will grow like this. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.